Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a gaming chair. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. So if you guys see my previous video, I actually did a whole unboxing for this product. But this time I want to do an update review to show you guys what is actually on here and kind of give you guys a little bit of feedback of how well it's been working. So obviously for the bottom part, we do have the roller wheels. So if you guys do want to move it around, it moves around so smoothly. And then when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality leather. They do mention the leather that's on here is not like your typical PU leather. It's like a more hard quality leather. But you can basically feel that material like everywhere. For the back part, your pillows, your lumbar support pillow, your armrest, and even for the footrest as well. And they do have this very nice stitching on here that actually looks very luxury when you guys do see it and feel it. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and then here's the other side. If you guys notice for the start right here for the armrest option, they do have the option for you to recline, which I'll show you guys in a second. But when you guys turn the other side right here, there's basically two levers. There's one of them for the reclining option right here, and there's one in the bottom for you guys to lift it up and lift it down. And you see right here, we do have a USB cable, and that is basically for the lumbar support pillow. That will basically give you guys a massage option if you guys want to use it. If you guys notice for the color that we do have right here is like an ivory white color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But that is basically a quick overview to show you guys what is actually on the product. Now I'm going to test it out to show you guys how well it works. So if you guys do sit down, there's definitely enough cushion on here to give you guys that comfort and support when you guys are using it at home, in the office, or anywhere else. Whether if you guys want to use it for work or if you guys want to use it for gaming, you do have those options available. But now let's show you guys how to use the reclining option and the footrest option. So basically for the footrest option, it's actually very easy and very simple to use it. You just want to pull it out and then flip this part up. And now you guys do have a footrest option. So if you guys do put your feet on top, this is basically what the product looks like. And if you guys want to use the reclining option, you basically want to pull this lever like I mentioned. So that way you can adjust it based on your own preference, but it does go pretty low. Let me show you how low it can go. So this is basically how low the chair can go if you guys do use the reclining option. So that way if you guys want to fall asleep on here, you do have the option available, if you can see. And when you guys do come up, it basically stays in that position, which is pretty nice. So if you guys want to bring it back up, you basically want to pull the lever again. And that basically brings back up the seat. And if you guys want to put away the footrest, very easy and very simple. Flip it up like this and slide it in. And it's all set with that part. And then for the lever in the bottom, that basically allows you guys to bring up and bring it down. So if you guys do stand up, if you guys pull it up, that is basically how high it can go. But if you guys do sit down, if you guys pull it again, that basically brings it down. And on this chair, when you guys do use it, you do have a rocking option. So if you guys rock on here, you definitely do have the option available. But if you guys do want to lock it, you basically want to push it in, just like that. If you guys try to rock again, we can't do it anymore. You guys can hear that clicking in the bottom. So that is basically how you guys use the reclining option and the gas lift option. And you see everything on here definitely looks pretty nice and actually works pretty well when you guys do use it. I love the way how they do have like this wing back design. Same thing for this bottom part right here as well. And you guys can see in the back part right here, they do have this zipper option for you guys to open up if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the chair right here. So after having and using the chair for a few days or for a week, would I say that's still worth it? So for this chair, I still have to say that it's pretty worth it even after using it for a few days or after a week. Like when you guys feel like the overall quality or the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality product. Everything just works so well and give you guys that comfort and support when you guys are using it for working or even for gaming. So if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality office chair or gaming chair that works the same way or looks the same way and also give you guys everything that I mentioned on here, then I do have to say that it is still pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.